Warred with love just as the frank vassal wars with an evil lord who wrongfully takes his land for which he wars against him. And when he sees that war does him no good, he later comes to his mercy to recover his own. And I so much desire to recover joy that I beg mercy from love for his sin and turn my pride into humility. I have recovered joy thanks to the best one who restores the harm I took elsewhere. And my beautiful lady grants me her friendship through love's plea and keeps me as her own, and promises me so much that I believe the proverb that says, he who wars well pleads well. For in singing I have warred with love so much that I have found a better plea with my lady. Better plea with my lady. Ooh, better plea with my lady. There is no king nor emperor in the loving her for her worth and her value lords it over all the worthy ladies one sees, for she advances better and behaves more nobly and welcomes better and speaks better and courts better and shows to the worthy her worth and her beauty, saving her honor, and she keeps everyone's thanks. Lady, I know well if mercy does not help me, that I am not worth enough to be a lover for you. I worth so much that my heart grows angry because I cannot do such rich deeds as befit you. For me who loves you, however, I do not give up loving you. For a vassal when he is defeated must strive until he strikes an honorable blow. Therefore I ask you, since you gave me counsel, since you gave me counsel, if I am not rich according to your richness, nor worthy enough for your great worth, I do my power, and I am the one who begs you mercy, and serves you and flatters you and loves you more than anything, and guards myself from evil and strive for all good for your love. And it seems to me that a worthy lady ought to love a good proven knight in matters of love more than a rich presumptuous man. Your beautiful pleasing eyes, deceitful, laugh at that for which I sigh and weep, and your upright body which always grows graceful and charming kills me loving. Such envy comes to me from it, and if I do not find love and faith with you, I will never again believe in anything I hear or see. Nor will I trust in a lady of great deceit, nor do I ever want another to give me her friendship. Give me her friendship. Give me her friendship. Beautiful night, your love makes war on me, and I pray for mercy and find humility, that it may conquer you as you have conquered me. graces you, and the gift of Montferrat.